Welcome. Let's dive into today's summary. Why do some people thrive financially while others struggle, despite having access to the same resources? In a world where economic uncertainties and financial hurdles are common, this question often looms large. The key to financial success isn't just about earning a paycheck. It's about making smart, strategic decisions that pave the way for long-term wealth and security. Power up your 401k. The Employee Trail to Retirement offers valuable insights into how one can take charge of their retirement planning and financial future, showing that being proactive and informed can lead to a comfortable retirement. The key idea of the book is simple. By making strategic choices with your 401k, you can not only secure your future, but also make the most out of your current resources. Whether you're just starting your career or nearing retirement, it's never too late to start planning for a financially stable future. The book emphasizes the importance of understanding your 401k plan and using it as a tool for building wealth over time. But can just understanding your 401k plan really be the game changer for your retirement? How does knowing when and how to take advantage of such a plan set you apart from the many people who fail to maximize its potential? The building blocks of financial security. At the heart of Power Up, your 401k is the understanding that financial security doesn't happen by accident. It's the result of a series of well-thought-out actions that begin with educating yourself about the tools available to you, such as your 401k. For many employees, a 401k is their primary source of retirement savings, and understanding how to use it effectively can make a significant difference in how comfortable you are in your later years. The book starts by breaking down the fundamentals of the 401k system. It explains what it is, how it works, and why it's essential to your retirement planning. One of the primary advantages of a 401k is that it allows for tax-deferred growth, meaning the money you contribute now will grow without being taxed until you withdraw it in retirement. This creates an opportunity for your money to grow faster than it would in a typical savings account, as you're not losing any of it to taxes in the short term. Additionally, many employers offer a matching contribution to employees' 401k plans. This is essentially free money that can significantly boost your retirement savings. The book stresses the importance of taking full advantage of this feature. Failing to contribute enough to get the full match is akin to leaving money on the table. It's an essential step in maximizing the growth of your 401k. Understanding the power of compound interest. One of the most important financial concepts the book emphasizes is compound interest. This powerful tool is what makes saving for retirement so effective when done early and consistently. Compound interest refers to the process of earning interest on both the money you've saved and the interest your savings have already earned. This creates a snowball effect, where your investment grows exponentially over time. The book includes examples that show how a relatively modest contribution, when left to grow for several decades, can amount to a significant sum. For instance, if you contribute $5,000 a year for 30 years at a 7% return, you'll end up with over $500,000, an amount far exceeding your initial contributions. This highlights the importance of starting early and contributing regularly. The more time your money has to grow, the larger your final balance will be. Risk and reward. Choosing your investments wisely. While understanding the fundamentals of 401k contributions and compound interest is vital, the book goes deeper into how to make the most of your investment options. Many 401k plans offer a variety of investment choices, including stock and bond funds, target date funds, and more. Each option comes with its own set of risks and rewards, and making the right choice can have a major impact on your retirement outcomes. Power Up. Your 401k encourages readers to think about their risk tolerance and time horizon when choosing investments. For example, if you're young and have many years before retirement, you can afford to take on more risk with stocks, as you have time to recover from market fluctuations. On the other hand, as you near retirement, it might be wise to shift to more conservative investments that offer stability and less volatility. Another crucial point the book makes is the importance of diversification. Spreading your investments across different asset classes can help mitigate risk and reduce the potential for significant losses in case one market segment underperforms. The book provides strategies for balancing risk and reward and explains how to tailor your 401k investments to your specific needs and goals. Maximizing contributions. The key to wealth building. The book also delves into the specifics of how much you should be contributing to your 401k each year. While many people only contribute enough to get the employer match, the book suggests that you aim to contribute as much as you can afford. The more you contribute, the faster your savings will grow. Additionally, contributing more to your 401k reduces your taxable income, which can provide immediate tax benefits. A common mistake many people make is not fully contributing to their 401k, especially when they are young and just starting their careers. The book advises that you aim to increase your contributions over time, especially as your income grows. This ensures that you're consistently building your retirement savings and not falling behind. Avoiding common pitfalls. Despite the clear benefits of a 401k, many people make common mistakes that hinder their retirement savings. Power Up. Your 401k offers practical advice on how to avoid these pitfalls. One common mistake is borrowing from your 401k, which can significantly reduce your overall balance and prevent your money from growing as it should. Additionally, withdrawing funds prematurely can result in penalties and taxes, further eroding your savings. The book also cautions against frequent trading or attempting to time the market. Market timing rarely works out in the long term, and the best strategy is often to stay the course with a diversified portfolio and let time work in your favor. The importance of staying informed. Another important point the book makes is the necessity of staying informed about changes in retirement laws, your 401k plan options, and the broader economic landscape. Understanding things like changes in contribution limits or tax laws can have a significant impact on how you approach your retirement planning. Additionally, regularly reviewing your 401k and adjusting your investment strategy is important as your life circumstances change. The book emphasizes that retirement planning is a continuous process, not a one-time event. By staying informed and making adjustments along the way, you can ensure that your 401k remains on track to meet your retirement goals. A roadmap to financial freedom. At its core, Power Up. Your 401k isn't just about retirement, it's about financial empowerment. The book provides a clear step-by-step roadmap for taking control of your financial future, whether you're just starting out in your career or nearing the finish line of your working years. By making smart, informed decisions about your 401k, you can unlock the power of compound interest, reduce risks, and maximize your savings for the future. But how do you know if you're truly on the right track? Are there other tools or strategies that can further accelerate your wealth-building journey, beyond just understanding and utilizing your 401k? Conclusion. Your financial future starts today. The book's closing message is clear. The earlier you start, the more you can take advantage of the benefits that compound interest and consistent contributions provide. Retirement planning is not an afterthought. It should be a key focus throughout your career, shaping how you manage money, how you spend, and how you invest. By educating yourself and staying proactive with your 401k, you can ensure that you're not just working for your money, but that your money will work for you in the future. With the right mindset and a well-thought-out strategy, your 401k can become a cornerstone of your financial independence. As the book demonstrates, the road to financial freedom is paved with knowledge, discipline, and a long-term vision. So the real question remains, how will you use the tools at your disposal to create the retirement you deserve? That's it for today's 10 Minutes Goldmine. Thanks for your valuable time. If you enjoyed this, feel free to like and subscribe. It helps us grow and share more insights with you. And if there's a book you'd love to hear, drop its name in the comments. See you in the next one.